GE Profile Refrigerator. The drain hole under deli drawer is plugged by frozen ice. Pouring hot water down does not solve issue. What to do?
Do you know the model of your GE fridge? How old is it?
PFSS 6 serial number SR660383. Not sure on the age.
How long has this been going on with your GE refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
Just notice water on floor. Removed deli drawer and removed built-up ice underneath. Poured hot water down drain hole.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. This is an indication that the coils and heat displacement components are dirty and the heat is not able to escape. You would pull the fridge out and vacuum any dust from the components. It is important to use the proper tool to brush the dust from components and vacuum them so that the caked up dust does not prevent the heat from escaping from the coils. Also, be sure that the cooling fan is coming on. This fan should run continuously, so if it is not running, then the fan motor will have to be replaced too.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.